In this video, we'll show you how to fix Rockstar Launcher stuck on loading screen. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you're trying to boot up your game and you're stuck staring at that endlessly spinning Rockstar logo, having the software completely freeze on startup is incredibly frustrating. This loop usually happens because of broken background processes or corrupted local cache files, blocking the client's handshake with the server. So here, I'll show you how to fix it. Alright, so first, we need to completely kill any broken lingering instances of the launcher. On your keyboard, press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open up Task Manager. Now here what you need to do is to close any processes labeled as Rockstar Games Launcher, Rockstar Service, or Social Club Helper. Right click on every single one of those and hit End Task. Now that the background is entirely clear, we need to make sure Windows isn't restricting the application startup permissions. Locate your Rockstar Games Launcher desktop shortcut, right click on it, and select Properties. Go to the Compilate tab, head down to the Settings section, and here you need to check Run this program as administrator, and then click Apply and OK. Now, if it's still stuck on the loading loop, you most likely have corrupted profile files. Open up your File Explorer. Inside Documents, what you need to look for is a folder called Rockstar Games. Open it up, and then you want to go to Social Club, and here what you need to do is to delete this profile folder. Right click on it and hit delete. The launcher will automatically recreate a fresh clean version of this folder without errors the next time you launch it. The next thing we can do is to flush the Windows DNS cache. Go to Windows Start menu again and type in CMD and then right click on command prompt and open it up as administrator. Now here type in ipconfig/flush DNS just like that and press enter. And that's it. Your Rockstar Games Launcher should now boot up without any problem. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.